welcome to my channel. My name is Anjali Pandey. A database is a collection of information tables in SQL that is organized so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. Table. The data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries and it consists of columns and rows. Index. Indexes help us retrieve data from tables quicker. With the proper index in place, the database system can then first go through the index to find out where to retrieve the data, and then go to these locations directly to get the needed data. DDL. A data definition language or data description language, DDL, is a syntax similar to a computer programming language for defining data structures, database schemas. Creates a new database/table. Alter modifies a database/table. Drop deletes a database/table. DML. The data manipulation language, DML, is the subset of SQL used to add, update and delete data. Select extracts data from a database. Update updates data in a database. Delete deletes data from a database. Insert inserts new data into a database. DCL. A data control language, DCL, is a syntax similar to a computer programming language used to control access to data stored in a database. Authorization. The operations for which privileges may be granted to or revoked from a user or role may include connect, select, insert, update, delete, execute, and usage. Examples of DCL commands include: grant, allow specified users to perform specified tasks. Revoke, cancel previously granted or denied permissions. Thank you for watching this video.